Hi besties, welcome back to a new vlog. If this is the first time stopping by this space, thank you so much for stopping by and I hope you enjoy my content. So we have a new vlog. You guys, I'm so excited. My bed arrived today. In my last vlog I mentioned that I'd moved back home and I was trying to set up my room, and this bed is so cute. Just look at all the storage spaces I have. I'm just super excited. So in this vlog, I'm going to be showing you all how I set up my room and also be doing a lot of meal prepping. You guys, I realized that I really love to cook and I should show that in my vlog. So expect a new recipe or expect cooking videos in my vlogs. So right here, I'm trying to set up my curtain. I'm trying to hang it up. I'm wearing scrubs because I filmed content on this day, and after filming I just decided to hang it before taking out the scrub and having a shower for the day. Yeah, I actually really like the curtain like this. It's just that I do not like to wake up to bright light. Sometimes I just want my room to be dark and the rest of that, so that's why I'm hanging this other one. But I actually really like how the white just blends with everything in my room, but I know this is also fine. Yeah, that's it for my curtain, and you guys see the way my room is looking. Yay, I really love it. The whole thing, white, black and brown.
Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. So yeah, I couldn't say it.
No.
Look at me style from the street. Look at me style from the ghetto.
Furniture is finally here after so long.
Me go to my knees to the Calvary tree, me I pray. Me telling God everything me I need. Me I tell the God make they bless me still. Yeah. If I no get all these people go laugh at me. All these people go use me play. Make God they bless me and my family. Yeah.
So guys, while I was ordering this chair, there were different options. They had 3 in stock. I honestly wanted to get the color that was brown or nude, something in that shade, but they had blue, black and yellow, so I just went for the black. I don't exactly like it, but yeah, it works. Hi guys, I've not really sat down to talk to you guys since this vlog started. Don't know what points I am at this vlog, but thank you for watching and coming on this channel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. I do health and lifestyle content, and yeah, just join the community. Subscribe now. I've had a couple of things, but I've not really had time to unbox, so I want to sit down and unbox. You guys, I've been on the streets of Instagram buying things. I'm about to unbox them. I hope they don't fall on my hand. I think the other thing I bought were my scrubs, and I even filmed the reel with the scrubs yesterday. I was inside the clip of that reel on the screen somewhere before I continue with this unboxing. Yeah, so that's the first thing. So I ordered 2 scrubs, that's the blue and the light blue. Then I did a reel with my other scrubs, so I'll just insert it now.
Bruh.
I had to wear my watch because I don't understand what's happening. The video just keeps going off and on, so I can watch from here if it's actually recording, because I'm using the back of my camera too. So the first thing I'm going to unbox is these nightwears. I got a couple of nightwears from somebody on Instagram, Sam Top. I hope it's nice. You guys, let me gist you. And I wanted to buy this thing just because I wanted to get my size right. I wanted to be a little bit free. I'm a regular normal UK 10, but I wanted to go for 12 just so the pajamas is full length and is long. And then after I finished ordering, I placed my size. I just decided to ask her, sorry, does it come in medium, small, medium and large, or like the regular UK size is 8, 10 and the rest? So she was like, it doesn't matter. I was like, please just tell me, it matters, because I want to get my size correctly. So I was like, what size is the model wearing? And she said the model is actually, she was like, okay, she understands what I'm saying. The model is wearing XS. And I told her that I'm slim and tall. My problem is that I want the trouser to be long. But like, oh, the model is also long, but she's bigger than me and she's wearing XS. I was like, please, just send the excess for me because all these sizes, some of them can just be mixed up. So that's what I'm unboxing now. I hope it fits. So I was not telling her that thank God I asked. So imagine if she sent the X12. So like 12 is equivalent to XL. So if you order size 12, she didn't send XL like her. That's how that order was the name Agbada. So this is the nightwear. It's a two-piece pajamas. Okay, looks very perfect. Just how I wanted it. Actually wanted, what's the name? The one that has the white line somewhere around, but that one was available in green and I wanted something black, nude or white. So I didn't want any colored outfit, and this looks very nice. The material is actually nice. Now let me see the trouser. I know it might not really be full length, but I think it's okay. It has this net something going on underneath, and sorry, I have to check my phone, my watch if it's still recording. And at the side, I think it's cute. Then I also ordered this two-piece. This one is a shirt and top. I actually really needed this, but I'm not so impressed with this quality though. It's not so cotton. This one is cotton, but this isn't. I don't really like this one. I don't know the fabric. Let me check what's written in it. I wanted a final color, but this was the only color. I think they had pink and something else. I was like, just give me blue. I can't even see what they wrote. They wrote 95% something and 5%, but it's in China. It's in Chinese, so I don't know. But this is what this one looks like. I actually want to do a reel on with this, so I will unbox this one last. So you guys, I was watching Chantel Ayanwo's vlog one Friday evening, and I saw that she wanted to do sales. She actually has a business, Home and Co. She actually has a business, Home and Co, where she sells decor items for the home, like all those kind of stuff. So like she's going to do sales the next day, and I was actually looking for things to buy to decorate my room for filming and the rest of that. So I decided to check out her channel, and you guys, the items were so cheap. Like things that would normally go for 7K were going for 2K, and I bought. And she was so kind enough. Let's buy some wall frames, these tiny mirror frames. And I was asking her, like, should I buy these because I'm a YouTuber? Will it be fine for my background? She was like, oh yeah, she thinks it will be cute. I shouldn't just pick only one color. She mix it. So I thought she should just select it and mix it for me. And she was kind enough to gift me one more. But she said while she was packing it, the one she wanted to, one of them broke. So instead of that, she just added a flower for me. She was so nice. I was so happy I came across that vlog because I've actually really wanted to buy decor items, but I was just like, where will I get the money? These things were sold at a very giveaway price. In fact, after buying this, I had to thank her. She was like, when she was selling the thing, her mom was just looking at her like, are you actually serious? And all of these items are like high quality items. I think these are the frames. Oh, this is the white one. This is the white one. It's actually cute. It's cute. I initially wanted to buy only black, but she told me to not pick only one color. She mix it black and white. So I just told her to mix it, like she should choose for me. Like I trust her judgment. This white one is looking so cute. I can't wait to hang them up on the wall. I'll just go ahead and unbox. So it has a clip behind for the nail, and this is the first one. Okay, I think this is a I don't know what it's called, but it's for water, juice, and the rest of that. This is this jar. I've forgotten how many liters, and it's actually from IKEA. So I wanted to put a water plant in it, and this is what this looks like. So it's going to be like this for now, but I intend on putting a water plant in it, and these are more frames. Guys, I actually want to take a thumbnail. Take a picture for my thumbnail. Just doing it.
So guys, I wanted to cook and also make banana bread for the first time. So I quickly came to the store to pick the items I'll need for the banana bread before they close. And yeah, that's me just getting to the store. Come, let's go buy some things.
How much is this one? I want the one that is overripe. Okay, that means this one is the one that has the most ripe ones. How much is it? So guys, these are the things I want to use to bake. I already had flour in the house. I didn't even know it was in the freezer, but I just bought small flour just in case I didn't have. I wasn't sure. Then this granulated sugar, banana, they're actually overripe at this point. I have baking soda, baking powder, butterscotch, and the reason why I bought this butterscotch in the recipe I'm using has vanilla, but I personally prefer butterscotch because even when I'm baking cake I prefer this flavor. And then King's margarine, and that's about it. Then I also have raisins here that I'm soaking because I want to do like banana fruit bread cake. And what else again? That's about it for this baking.
No guys, the fish is not for the banana bread. I'm also making vegetable sauce at the side for rice.
I'm also trying to make soup on the side because I'm meal prepping. Yeah, I steamed it for a bit to fry up. So guys, I have my ejakika, that's panla fish, already washed. Then in here I have tomato, onions, yellow pepper for flavor, and red pepper, that's atarudo. Then I have scent leaf, onions, and my croaker and my fish. My chicken is almost ready. It's almost ready.
Guys, with the way tomato is so expensive now, I'm just going to keep making different sauces that don't require a lot of tomato until everything is normal. The way things are really expensive is really alarming. And you guys, I was watching the news the other day and I saw that the president wants to give families 8,000 naira every month for 6 months to alleviate poverty. Hey God. I don't know if it's meant to be a joke. What can 8,000 naira buy for anybody? Like, if they want to do something, they should do something very, very significant. They should try to maybe remove electricity bill, scrap it off for like 6 months. You don't have to pay for electricity. Something significant in our lives. This country. Now let's move on to our banana bread. These bananas were really overripe, so after peeling it, I mashed it with my fork, just kept on mashing until I had a smooth consistency, then put in my eggs. The recipe I saw on the internet that looked nice, I decided to do everything times two. So the eggs were, somebody used one, another person used two for the same quantity. So I just decided to balance it by using 3 eggs. I mixed it, then added half cup of milk. I'm using Hollandia full cream milk. I used 1 cup of oil, that's like half cup, so I poured it twice. Then sugar, I used half the amount because I really don't like sweet things, so I didn't want it to be overwhelming. Then my butterscotch. This thing gave me a tough time to open. I just realized I actually don't have physical strength. I eventually opened it. I used 2 teaspoons, mixed. Then my flour, I used 2.5 cups. Sorry, I don't even know why I decided to use the small cups, the very, very small cups. So I just kept on measuring, but just know it's 2 cups and 1/2. 2.5 cups, yeah. So I put it in a sieve. Then after my flour, I think I added baking soda. I didn't use baking powder for this recipe. The recipe I decided to use was just baking soda, so I mixed it together and sieved it. You guys see that ants that is there. So I just folded it in, mixed it gently, added raisins. I wanted to make it fruity, just give it a different vibe. I didn't want it just plain. And if you don't like raisins, you can skip this part. But why won't you like raisins? I realize a lot of people actually don't even like it. But yeah, if you do, add it. It was very, very nice. Really very nice. Then my batter was ready. I poured it in my baking pan. And by this time, I already started preheating my oven. I already put on my oven, so it was actually getting hot at this point. Yeah. Before I pour it, don't forget to cream your pan, so when you want to turn it, it actually comes out. And added my coconut flakes, and it went into the oven. It was in the oven for about 20 minutes, and it was ready.
Whoa, you guys, this is looking so pretty. So let's do the knife test again. I tried earlier. Okay, it's actually done. The knife is clean. So I'll just probably leave it in the oven till tomorrow morning. Hi loves, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I really appreciate that you watched to the very end. If it's your first time stopping by, please subscribe to join the family, and if you enjoyed watching this vlog, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and kindly let me know in the comments if you want to see a full room tour, like a separate video on that, and I'll gladly film that. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.